I'm Ken Gall.
And I'm Kurt Jacobus, and we are the faces of manufacturing, and here's our story.
So Kurt and I met in graduate school. Actually, I was an undergrad when we met, and then I became a grad student in the same lab at University of Illinois. We founded MedShape in order to take basic science and put it to the marketplace. We had a very strong interest in helping people recover from injuries. When the company was started, it was right around 2005, and it was right when I moved to Georgia Tech. At the time, we were looking for a good CEO, and that's when we brought Kurt on board.
And so I've been with the company since shortly after its founding and helped take the business with Ken's efforts out of the lab into the marketplace. And we've been selling medical devices based on the technology that he developed at Georgia Tech.
Kurt started his research on the same technology we use in the company now, but he was unable to finish it. So I came in and finished that work for him, and then that's how we kind of reconnected.
Yeah,
is that true?
That's very true. But I'll also share with the group that Ken started a company, but he was unable to finish the development of the company, so he brought me in to help out the rest of the way along. Is that true?
That is true. Yeah. I think that one of the things that's been exciting for me in MedShape is been able to see technologies that were just lab scale and that we were just doing, basically kind of in the petri dish, and able to take those and turn those into products that are manufactured on large scale for human implants. It's been fun to see and to have a good team around us to do that. We've had a lot of help from the local community. The Georgia Research Alliance and Venture Lab programs were very supportive in the early days of the business and helping us take off and really do some of our early work. And so I think that's one of the unique aspects in the state.
And I do think one thing that I also find to be rewarding in our day-to-day is we have a very active program for cooperative educational students and interns. And seeing those young people, it energizes the business in one way. They're youthful. It's also encouraging to see how smart and hardworking that generation is.
The advice I would give to anyone thinking of starting their own company, particularly in high-tech industry involving manufacturing and new materials, new product, would be to take the first step. It's a long process, and I think if you can get started on something that you want to do earlier, that would actually be very helpful. The only other thing I would add is you have to be very resilient.
So what does the future hold for us? I think it's pretty clear and pretty exciting. We've got 6 products on the market right now. We'll launch another one this year, and committed to launching 2 products a year for many years to come. And the exciting part about that for us is that those products actually do improve human lives and the human condition every day. And that's the part we take very seriously, and I think we're proud of stuff.